Hey gang. Well, we did it again. We did a thing. Let me bring you in here. Boom! Shakalaka laka. Look at that beauty. Huh? Oh. This thing just reeks of coolness. Absolutely reeks of coolness. It also reeks of some poor repairs that have been done previously. Got a couple nasty cracks in the top that aren't level, haven't been fixed properly. The neck, it's like almost ready to fall out. There's parts that aren't even attached in there anymore. But it held together just long enough that I could put some strings on it with a little tension and see what it sounded like. This thing actually sounds pretty decent. That top is thin. Let me tell you, thin. So, yeah, look at this neck. Okay, here. Sorry, you guys might have been sideways there for a minute. You can literally see the divots. Maybe I'll here. Let me put a straight something up against there. Hang tight. Okay. All right. You can see the glare off of the light there, but you can see there's like big gaps. That's from where? That's from where, guys? This thing has been played. There's something written on the back of the heel there. Maybe a Wilhelm. Willems. Honestly, I haven't even looked inside. I bought this fiddle completely sight unseen. Look up here. It had, at one point, it's had those mechanical tuners, and then there's been like plugs, and other holes have been filled. Like, this thing is a beast. Let's see if we can have a look inside here. Just a Strad copy, Antonio Stradivarius copy. No, no make inside. No nothing. Just hang on. I'm going to see if I can look through the end hole. See if I can see anything. Any defining marks or... Oh, what a... The bass bar is so thin. Holy lick. I don't, as far as it goes, I don't think that's no, it's just, I thought maybe there was a initial on the top or something. Honestly, guys, that bass bar looks like it's about like 2 mils, 3 mils thick. Like, that's crazy. Those front corners blocked. There's so much dirt and dust in there. I can't get a good look at that front one the way it is. But the back ones are blocked. I'm thinking the front ones are blocked too. They look like they were blocked. So we're gonna tear the top off of this thing. We're gonna refix these cracks. This one up here isn't isn't terrible, but to get it right, we're gonna have to undo the damage that's been done. I'm not, man, look at that thing. Isn't that like just raunchy cool? I love the look. I really love the look. It's had a bit of a neck shim. Had a bit of a neck shim job done there. The peg box is, you know, it's all there. This whole front is loose here, so that all has to be put back together. But when I get the top off, I could easily do that. Man, she's been beaten. I wonder, some of this is artificial. Well, unless there was, see all this gurgly gook here along the side? I wonder if that was some kind of a pattern at one time. Because you see it all around in different, you know, all the boats have the same kind of pattern going there. And there's varnish in the pattern. So obviously, you know, it was done before the varnish job. And it's not like, it's not like anything I've really come across before. It's doesn't really look like anything to me, but yet there's certain aspects of it that almost look like letters. So I'm gonna do a little bit of research. I mean, I'm just guessing that this is just some common factory fiddle here, as like 98% of them are. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Your Stradivarius that you got, it's not a real Stradivarius. Yeah. Purfling is real. It's got some nice variants in the varnish, like a nice light ground, and then a golden amber, and then dark. Wilhelm, it looks like a J at the end. Wilhelm J. Do a little bit of research. Anyway, stay tuned. We're going to tear the top off of this thing. Cheerio.